What's up, guys? Today we're going to be going over some scholarship calculus questions. So here's the first one. I did this one before, and there's a couple ways of doing it. The first way is probably the simplest way. You're just going to simply square this, and you'll get x to the 8 plus 1 over x to the 8. Okay, so we'll just try that. So we're going to go x. If we squared this, we're going to get x to the 8 plus x to the 4 divided by x to the 4, and that's going to happen twice, so I'll just put a 2 here. And then you're going to get plus 1 over x to the 8. And then the other side, you're just going to simply square 7, which is 49. Okay, so following this, we're going to cancel the x to the 4s to make 1. So we're going to have x to the 8 plus 2 plus 1 over x to the 8. Okie dokie. Now I can simply just subtract that 2 from both sides. So we're going to get the equation we want. We're going to get x to the 8 plus 1 over x to the 8 and that's going to equal 47. The other way we can do it is we can actually solve for x to the 4, and then we can just use that. So what we could do here, say we didn't square it, and I'll take the square away. Say instead we multiplied everything by x to the 4. So we're going to have x to the 4 times x to the 4, which is x to the 8, plus, 1 over x to the 4 times x to the 4 is just going to be 1, and that's equal to 7 x to the 4. Okay, from following this, we're going to tidy it up a bit. So x to the 8 minus 7 x to the 4 plus 1 equals 0. Cool, that wasn't a very good 0. So now, as you can see, we've got a bit of a quadratic. If we just substitute, say, p equals x to the 4, then we know that p squared is going to equal x to the 4 squared, which is x to the 8. So we can rewrite this equation as p squared minus 7p plus 1 equals 0. Now it's just a matter of solving this. We could use the quadratic equation, or we could just chuck it in our calculator. So if you chuck it into your calculator, I'll just quickly do that. You will get, let me just solve. So you're going to get 7 plus 3, no, you get the decimal 6.8541. So immediately, p equals 6.8541. 6.8541. And immediately we see that if we squared this, we're going to get something close to 47, because 7 squared is 49. take a little bit less. But the other form you can write it in is 7 plus 3 square root 5 over 2. Okay? So, knowing that, if that's our x to the 4th power, then we can put that into our equation. So if we have 7 plus 3 square root 4 over 2, and so we want x to the 8 plus 1 over x to the 8. So we're going to square this here, and then we're going to add this 1 over the same thing. So 7 plus 3 square root 5 over 2 squared. That's going to equal, again, we could put it into our calculator. Do I want to try that? No, probably not. Yes, I've just chucked in my calculator. I could just do it all by hand, but it looks like it's going to take a while. So I put that in, then my answer is going to be, I need to remember something. I've forgotten. No, I haven't. Cool. So the answer is going to be 47. Okay.